Hello everyone and welcome back. In the next few videos we will create a web shop that will look something like this. We will have a front page where we will display the newest products as well as a little banner with a email list you can sign up to, and we will have a little footer up down here as well as a button where you can click to visit the store or view all products. This is the same button as up here where you can click on shop and all, and then all products will load. It's still 8 because I've only added 8 to the database, but we can add more. Then we will also have a section where we can all just see free products, and we will also have a function where we can sort products either by price or date. Of course, we will also have a search function where we can, for example, search for decals, and then all the products with decal in the name will come up. So this video series or course, however you want to call it, will cover everything from setup to getting the website online. And for that, some knowledge will be required, but it ain't much. But you should know your way around HTML and CSS, because you should create your own design, and I don't want to give you a design you can just copy. I will just show you how you can do the backend. And for that we will use a nice mix of technologies like PHP, MySQL for the database, as well as jQuery and Ajax. So I hope you're as excited as I am, because I am and you haven't even seen the other videos. Also, if you like my content, maybe consider subscribing and liking this video to help me making more videos just like this one. But with that being said, let's get started.